Hiya Nutters! As I couldn't find any inspiration, I decided to do a cleanup. And as I was going through an odd basket with stuff, I found an unused junk journal cover. I made it some time ago and it's made from torn sheets, hand dyed, and the little pieces are embroidered all together. I make these covers in a way so I can put them on a junk journal at the last stage. The finding of this little gem ignited a plan. First, I had to make some gel prints, which of course I forgot to film. The gel prints, by the way, were made with some long grass from the garden. Actually, it's grass that is growing between the tiles of our pathway, and I wanted to burn it down with a special burner, but the burner broke and I really cannot crawl around on my knees anyway. So now I could pick the grass and I loved their texture using them in the jelly prints, especially when they lost all their seeds and gave it even more interesting texture with the paint. I printed them in the colors of the found cover, and the plan is to try to get some pages ready by using those prints. I am hoping it will give me some consistency. I'm often all over the place with my colors and create so many different things because I still didn't find a consistent style that I could build on. The plan was to make a collage of some sort and to use a lot of mark making. When I began, I had no idea where this would end, and I'm always able to let that go as soon as I start. I like to go with the flow of creating. To start with a color scheme sounds already very much as a plan to me. What about you? Do you start with picking out your colors first, or do you prefer to let things go and just let it happen? Please let me know in the comments, as I like to know and I like to get new ideas as such, because I'm such a newbie in this. Anyway, along the way it turned out as an odd collage, and as you can see I changed plans halfway several times. But that's the thing with these acrylic markers. If you let them dry, you can go over it without making a mess. As said, it's a bit of an odd collage, but I like the colors and the textures. And most of all, it was very much fun to do. Very relaxing and very inspiring. And that's what I think is most important, the process. Today was a slow start with not knowing where I was heading, but in the end, this collage took me more than 50 minutes to create. Time flew by and I was having fun. I hope this will inspire you a little too, to create something fun today, to give yourself some me time and the joy of creating. It's not about what you do, but all about the process. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up or even subscribe to the channel. I have this romantic idea that this is a loving community of people that find peace and calm in art and like to share that with each other, to inspire and to make each other feel better. Please take good care of yourself and be compassionate with yourself today. Don't forget to take also some time for yourself today as well. Well, that's all. I wish you a lovely day and a big hug from me, and bye bye for now.